Classic cars, such as the 1967 Ford Mustang and Porsche 356, embody artistic craftsmanship and historical significance. However, they are susceptible to dents from parking mishaps, environmental factors, or minor accidents, which can diminish their aesthetic appeal and market value. Unlike modern vehicles with mass-produced parts, classic cars require precise, non-intrusive repairs to preserve their originality and value. Vintage vehicles often have thicker steel bodies, making dent repairs labor-intensive and complex. Additionally, matching original paint poses challenges due to fading or unavailability, and replacement panels are scarce. Owners demand showroom-quality restorations, leaving minimal room for errors. Paintless Dent Repair has emerged as a preferred solution for minor dents, creases, and hail damage. This method gently massages dents from underneath, preserving paint and ensuring a fast, cost-effective repair. However, PDR is limited to dents without paint damage or those away from panel edges. For more severe dents, traditional methods like panel beading, metal finishing, welding, and precise paint blending are necessary. These methods, while time-consuming and expensive, restore vehicles to their original splendor and historical accuracy. Choosing a repair expert with classic car knowledge, precision skills, and the right tools is essential. Preventative measures such as using padded covers, careful parking, enclosed transportation, and regular inspections can protect classic cars from future dents. Ultimately, dent repair in classic cars is both an art and a preservation of automotive heritage. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227543774, that's 83227543774, or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.